So there's no sentiment. See what happened. They said they want to do rally. I said, okay, go and take Adokia Mesimaka. I've given them Adokia Mesimaka last night. Some of these armed robbers in the state thought that we wouldn't know. Abiye Sekibo led talks around 12 midnight to go to Transamadi, the land that belongs to River State, and brought bulldozers with Lee Meba to start grading the place. That's where they want to use for presidential rally tomorrow. I said, no, go back to stadium. You say in one stadium, no be so.
Not so.
You say you have people, no be so. Yeah. You must go there.
You go full on.
You say you get people, no be so.
Not so.
Go there. You will not do presidential rally any other place. You must take a
stadium. You go full on.
So they escaped me last night. Of course, I have to chase them away. They ran away before I came. You know, there are people whose hand, if you see their hand, it's just blood. They want us to go into violence. We will not go into
violence. No way.
We will never stain our hands with
blood.
So I told them, you must use Adokia and Mesimaka
stadium.
After all, Bayelsa is here. You bring people.
Now so.
Edo is here. Bring them. Delta, bring them.
No way.
Akwa Ibom, import them.
No way.
Cross River, hire them.
No way.
Do you understand? Imo State, transport them.
No problem.
Abia State, ship them down. Because we know, if he didn't dare,
he didn't dare.
How many them there? Why we never win them? How many them there? Why we never win them? How many them there? Why we never win them?
You must do presidential rally at Adokia Mesimaka
stadium. By fire, by force.
So, no, if you like, go anywhere, we will not allow you.
No way.
Since you are insisted on having the stadium, and I've given it to you, free of
charge.
Go. If you want me to buy the Zen, I will buy for you. If you want me to clean you, I will go and clean the place.
So.
But for that stadium, you must
use it.
Enemy, we have a covenant with you. And that covenant is, being the economic hub of our state, we must continue to maintain the security level we have, to see that things move on. This time around, we will discuss with anybody who will want to win for president and tell us what you will do that LMA economy will have to improve. Yes, and the youths have to be employed.
Yes, sir.
Because this election, it has nothing to do with Rivers, is this? No. This election has to do with those that will listen to Rivers people. And those that Rivers State will listen to. Not those you listen to, those who hired houses here to live. Their place is Abuja. They come when they have lost somebody in Abuja. No, listen to the original people here. And those original people are we. Not so.
Not so.
We are the original
people.
And you must listen to us. If you don't listen to us, you will not get our vote. We will not give strangers vote. Will you give strangers vote?
No way.
We will not. We'll give those to those who say they will listen to us, those who want to know what LMA is facing.